Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of aloe vera and its incredible nutritional benefits. Often celebrated for its soothing properties, aloe vera is more than just a remedy for sunburns. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your overall health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this succulent plant offers a range of benefits that can support your immune system, improve digestion, and even promote healthy skin. Understanding the health advantages of aloe vera is essential, especially as more people seek natural ways to boost their well-being. From its rich content of vitamins A, C, and A to its unique enzymes that aid digestion, aloe vera is a versatile addition to any diet. Whether you are considering incorporating it into your smoothies, skincare routine, or wellness regimen, knowing how aloe vera can nourish your body is key. So, let's explore the remarkable benefits of this amazing plant and discover how it can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Nutritional composition of aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a soothing plant, it's also a treasure trove of essential nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. One of the standout features of aloe vera is its rich content of vitamins, including vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins play crucial roles in maintaining healthy skin, boosting the immune system, and promoting overall well-being. In addition to vitamins, aloe vera contains a variety of amino acids and enzymes that contribute to its health-promoting properties. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, essential for tissue repair and growth, while enzymes aid in digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Moreover, aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, which are vital for combating oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. By understanding the nutritional composition of aloe vera, you can appreciate how this remarkable plant can enhance your health in multiple ways. Digestive health benefits. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, particularly when it comes to digestive health. Its gel-like consistency provides a calming effect on the digestive tract, making it an excellent natural remedy for various gastrointestinal issues. Many people find that consuming aloe vera can help alleviate discomfort and promote a sense of well-being in their digestive system. One of the key benefits of aloe vera is its ability to alleviate constipation and promote regularity. The natural laxative properties of aloe vera can help stimulate bowel movements, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste. This can be especially beneficial for those who struggle with occasional constipation. Additionally, aloe vera plays a significant role in balancing gut bacteria, which is essential for improved digestion. A healthy gut microbiome supports nutrient absorption and overall digestive function. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet, you can harness its digestive health benefits and support a more balanced and efficient digestive system. Skin health and hydration. Aloe vera is a powerhouse when it comes to skin nutrition, offering a multitude of benefits that can enhance your skincare routine. One of its most remarkable qualities is its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin. The gel from aloe vera is rich in water content, making it an excellent moisturizer that penetrates deeply, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. In addition to hydration, aloe vera is well known for its healing properties. It can effectively soothe burns, cuts, and other skin irritations, promoting faster healing and reducing inflammation. This makes it a go-to remedy for minor injuries and sunburns, providing relief and comfort when you need it most. Moreover, aloe vera is increasingly featured in skincare products for its anti-aging benefits. Its antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. By incorporating aloe vera into your skincare regimen, you can enjoy a more youthful appearance while keeping your skin healthy and hydrated. Immune system support. Aloe vera is not just a soothing plant, it also plays a significant role in supporting immune health. One of the key components of aloe vera is polysaccharides, which are complex carbohydrates that have been shown to boost immune function. These polysaccharides help stimulate the production of immune cells, enhancing the body's ability to fend off infections and diseases. Research has indicated that aloe vera may enhance the immune response, with studies showing that its consumption can lead to increased activity of immune cells. This means that incorporating aloe vera into your diet could potentially help your body respond more effectively to pathogens and maintain overall health. Additionally, aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can further contribute to immune support. By reducing inflammation in the body, aloe vera helps create an environment that promotes wellness and resilience against various health challenges. With its unique combination of nutrients, aloe vera is a valuable ally in maintaining a robust immune system and promoting overall well-being. Weight management and metabolism. Aloe vera has gained attention for its potential impact on weight management, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed extra pounds. One of the ways aloe vera can aid in weight loss efforts is by promoting a healthy metabolism. The plant contains compounds that may help increase metabolic rate, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently and convert food into energy. In addition to boosting metabolism, aloe vera can enhance energy levels, which is crucial for maintaining an active lifestyle. When you feel more energized, you're more likely to engage in physical activities that support weight loss. Moreover, aloe vera has the potential to reduce cravings and improve feelings of satiety. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet, you may find it easier to resist unhealthy snacks and maintain portion control during meals. This combination of benefits makes aloe vera a valuable addition to any weight management plan, helping you achieve your goals while promoting overall health and well-being. Conclusion. In summary, aloe vera is a remarkable plant that offers a wide array of nutritional benefits. We've explored how it hydrates and nourishes the skin, aids in digestion, supports immune health, and even contributes to weight management. With its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, aloe vera can play a vital role in enhancing your overall well-being. Incorporating aloe vera into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health. Whether you choose to enjoy it in smoothies, skincare products, or as a supplement, the benefits are clear. If you found this video informative and helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about the incredible advantages of aloe vera. Together, let's promote a healthier lifestyle and explore more natural ways to enhance our well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.